welcome back to another YouTube channel. Today I'm with,
Me, roughly as usual.
and don't mind my avatar. I'm kind of like, I don't even know why I had it like this. Okay,
You're
I'm
let's see.
I'm Walter White.
Let me see your. Oh, Walter doesn't like Shrek, does he?
He does, and also we kind of forgot that we had a YouTube channel, or that I forgot that I have a YouTube channel. Because I was supposed to be editing a PUBG video, but I'm just going to keep that for backup, so yeah. Though, what I will tell you though, is that we are playing Bee Swarm today. And I'm not as good as him. He's been playing for like 4 years now, I think. I don't even know how long. So,
It was out like what? Let me see. Oh my gosh.
look at his
Alright,
avatar.
I'm like brain dead or something. What was it? I've basically been playing 5 years now. Almost. It'll be 5 years soon. I started like as soon as it came out, but like
I'm not
who's
really,
counting?
I'm not really that good though, so yeah. So, we're just kind of going to be grinding on Bee Swarm today because, you know what?
Because why not?
And also because we go back to school in like 2 days, right?
I think.
We go back to school on Monday and it's Saturday. And we have not gone to school in like 3 weeks now, so. Because.
Hey, I got something funny. I just remembered that I actually have something. I was looking at my avatar. And I remember.
What do you actually have?
You'll see, Chidler.
Chitler?
Alright, so basically I'm just gonna take off everything. Well, let's
Mike.
is out of context. So basically I'm putting it on. And I don't know why I got this thing.
What did you get? Okay, now tell me. I just need to know now.
But I got it from an event. And so basically if you just look at my head. Okay, I'm dead, so I had 3,500,000 pollen on me.
Dang.
It's fine. Okay, look at me. I have an egg on my head. That's it.
Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm at Spiderfield.
I'm coming.
Road.
Alright, look at my head. I have a, what is this thing called? A, beehive on my head from this game.
Oh, I see that. Why does your face look so depressed?
Because I got my head stuck in there.
Okay.
It's extremely sticky.
That makes
Like it says from the game. Alright. So we're gonna go for 2.
Oh my gosh.
What?
So loud.
Hey, you wanna help me fight a level 7 snow bear?
Sure.
I'm gonna call the chat. Help me with level 7
Let me
snow
tell
bear.
you guys something like someone said, okay? So, Blake
Your head.
said, can anyone summon a meteor shower? And then he said like obliterate.
Ah, he's here!
And
The
then
snow bear!
He said obliterate.
Yes,
He
die.
said no. And then Blake was like, okay. But then he said, in used mit mal 4. In used mit mal 4. And I was like, what?
That's probably like, I'm so sorry. I'm probably on mobile.
And then he said, I used it already. And I was like, what is in used
That does not look like anything. That spells, I used it already. What is that? Let me see. Oh, I can't even see it anymore. But you said bro was speaking Bee Swarm in Ohio.
Don't mind that.
I love speaking Bee Swarm.
In Ohio. A level 4. It's not as big as.
Oh, this is easy!
Oh, I must die. Why does my head look so big in that clip, bro?
Easy!
I died. I was not paying attention that well.
Yeah, I saw you die.
Okay, well this is easy for him. I don't even have.
My bees aren't
bro.
really even attacking us, so that's...
Oh my gosh.
Bro, you're already dead!
Where did that come from?
Don't know.
I'm probably blind because, you know, Walter's
My
massive.
bees aren't attacking,
Walter's
except...
massive.
Oh, he's dead now.
Oh, well, down in Ohio. Though, you know what? Let's not bring that Ohio joke into 2023, maybe.
Nah, let's just leave it until... Oh yeah, Happy New Year's.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas, or Merry Late Christmas. And yeah.
Friggin' Ohio.
See, yeah, what I was gonna do when I first made this YouTube channel, actually, is I was gonna set days for me to like post a YouTube video, but I know that I cannot trust myself to actually go by what I say. Like I forgot I had a YouTube channel, so I don't think I could post like weekly. I'm gonna try though, but I have
Swag in Ohio.
so yeah.
Come here! Look at this room. This is a very fun room. You gamble away 500,000 honey of your life savings to do a memory match. And then also, you get the blender where you could go and drop human bodies and then... Oh, wait, what?
Oh, I think you're over... I think he's over... Not over there. Over there. Yep. Okay. I'm just trying to finish
Looking
some
human
quests up.
bodies.
I actually do... I have 2 or 3 quests that I have. So, yeah.
Human body is dead now. Hey, bye, Joe. Have a fun time being burnt today. Huh?
There's some stuff wrong with man, bro.
Yeah, I only cut off a man's head and threw him in the blender.
Should I?
You see how the handle is red?
I did it.
Probably because
Okay.
of his blood. Did you gamble away 500k of your life savings?
Yep.
Congratulations.
Oh.
You lost.
I lost. I did lose. Wait, hold up. Oh my gosh.
How did I know that?
Ooh. You distracted
Almost like we
me.
know each other. It's a big cloud.
I just got a message. 1 second. Oh,
Oh, these mushrooms have like 4 seconds to live.
4 seconds.
That is so very sad. That one had 1 second to live. I am so very sorry.
It's
Okay, anyway, now that I don't care, let's just go and give... I don't know why, but Science Bear is cool because he gave me my, what's it called?
I need to go to Pineapple Patch.
What would we do without old Science Bear? I mean, hey, to be honest, Science Bear, he built me my armor out of enchanted bee stuff, bee wax,
Okay.
sticky. He got this helmet stuck on my head
Also,
for an experiment.
I don't know if I've already told you guys. I don't think so. Though, so what happened to the Minecraft series? So we still have the one, with Genie. Let me just mute him. I'm gonna mute him. Okay, I muted him just for a second so I could tell you guys. So basically, our world with Genie, that is not deleted. But kind of the world that we had like a whole, like, the SMP, that got deleted. So, we're gonna try to make a new one maybe. So, let me unmute him now. Okay, he's still yelling. I might as well just mute him again if he keeps yelling. Okay.
I got an atomic tree and I gave it to my bear bee, which is level 8, and it leveled it up and gave it 30% plus energy. My stomach or my throat hurts because of that. I gotta buy a hive slot that costs more than my life savings and more than my toe.
You scream too much.
What? Up.
I hope you lose your voice.
Thank you. So I won't have to go to school. 'Cause school is boring.
I like to see my friends though, so like.
I like to see my friends get mad because they all hate me.
That's tough.
And I hate them all.
That's
Alright, good night. I'm just gonna lay down until I get like what?
friends if you hate them.
No, I'm just gonna go and get one of my puppies. I'll be right back. Swag in Ohio.
No. So basically what he means by go get a puppy is he has German Shepherd puppies at his house. From his 2 dogs that are in love. So yeah. No. Let's yeah. Okay, I defeated another one. We need to kill 2 more ladybugs.
Kill the ladybug.
Okay, oh, yeah. Okay. Let's just kill the ladybugs. Okay. We killed the ladybug. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Store. I'm just gonna wait for him to be back.
There's a mysterious puppy on my lap. Here.
You have a puppy on your lap right now? Oh, I hear it.
Yeah, I do.
That is the sound that they make.
Like. That reminds me of the time when you said when your cousin visits out to your house and you're like, I do this when I'm on the toilet. So he's like, yeah, I hear you. You're having a rough time on the toilet.
Oh my god. Okay, my dogs are barking. So I had to mute my mic for a second. So they probably do not hear you or me. I don't even know. Though.
Puppy.
He said a really
Here,
like
baby. It's
he
okay,
said
puppy.
a story that I told him yesterday.
Julie, lay down.
Oh, are you
Okay. Okay.
My dog is slowly cutting into my arm with its sharp claws.
Don't worry, you died for a good reason.
You're looking at me with your big blue eyes.
Yeah, why do they all have blue eyes? That's
But they're soft.
Nyla. Oh my gosh, my dogs are barking. Okay, Nyla, Nova, Chewy, and Guapo. Shut up.
See, doggy, I'm not that bad.
Wait, oh my god. Sorry.
Not that bad. Hey, don't bite my wire on my mic.
I will be right back. Keep them entertained. Don't be weird.
Okay, I will. You guys like puppies? Because I like this puppy. It stares at me. It sleeps. It's a soft puppy. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. Got 500k honey. Or pollen. Pollen, honey, almost the same thing. Oh my god, what did I get this time? It must be cactus. Yay!
I'm back. I really hope you kept them entertained.
Oh, I probably did. Of the story.
Did you tell them what I told you?
No. You could replay it back. I was just doing some entertaining stuff.
I have a water bottle.
What you gonna do with it?
I just drank it.
Beat a man with it? What?
Beat a man with it.
What? I'm just sleeping with this dog. It has a heart on its head, which is so cute.
I got a gift. Who had a had one of the bees.
Trying to work my way up this hill. Okay, go and get this stuff. But it's kind of hard when you only have one hand.
I need more water.
Congrats. I'm being literally murdered by a scorpion.
This is from.
As I'm just laying down with a poor innocent puppy.
You wanna know where this water came from?
Where?
A store.
Oh,
That's just like crazy, huh?
I get mine from a muddy creek.
Dang, bro. It came from a
When I
store
run out of
for-
water, it's chocolate water time.
I usually get my water from Shrek's butthole. It's more delicious than just normal water.
Just stick a straw up there, bro.
Yeah, and then just drink it, you know?
Oh, sorry, puppy, I woke you up.
There's just a little bit of Nutella on it, you know? It's
Oh, you
alright.
shut up. This puppy's sleeping.
The Nutella, though, probably, like, it tastes a bit bitter. We are so, or I am mostly I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. So, yeah, yeah. Okay. Headquarters. Okay. I don't know if I should wait till I finish all, like, some other quests or pull the bear on my cry.
I'm lucky because I got to get into Onette's testing route, bro.
Really?
Yeah, and I'm only one of the 63,000 people in there.
That's crazy, bro. That's, like, actually crazy.
They should give you, like, something special if you get in.
But, like, do you think, like, maybe an item or maybe some robot?
Not Robux.
Just like an item, maybe.
Yeah. Like, I think you should get, like, a special name tag or something.
A special name tag? Maybe.
Nah, bro, that's ridiculous.
Water.
How about you get, like, testing stuff that's better than, like, a lot of stuff, but you have to still buy it, but you're the only people who could get it.
Yeah, that would be good. That wouldn't be, like, you know, too crazy.
Oh my god!
What happened?
It was just trying to crawl on my head. You lay down on my chest. You're so vocal.
Which
So
one
it's
do you
for the
have?
other one.
Wait, which one do you have?
The one that I haven't named yet.
Oh, is it the
I
boy?
got the girl one that has the heart on his head, or on her head.
Name her Queen of Hearts.
Queen of Hearts?
Queen of Hearts. She has a heart on her head.
We're like Queen of Farts, bro. Even though this thing like barely farts.
She still
You
farts?
peed on me once. Or you peed on Bella once.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I peed on Bella once.
That's just sad.
And I said, honestly, bro, I wouldn't take that.
Yeah, me personally, I wouldn't take that level of disrespect.
Are you serious, Danielle?
I just need to feed all this food. I'm gonna give it all of these.
I'm just chilling in the rose field, holding a puppy.
Until, wait, what I could get? Wait.
Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak. Squeak,
Okay.
squeak.
Why are
Squeak,
you,
squeak.
why are you squeaking?
It's just tickling its stomach, and it's like, uh-huh.
It probably don't like you, bro.
No, it's like kicking its legs.
I have to use 8 royal jellies. Not a problem. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy. Be happy. What bee should I get rid of?
You.
Maybe I should get rid of carpenter bee. Carpenter bee.
Yeah, I don't really know what carpenter bee replaces us. I'm gonna check.
I'm gonna just. I got a ninja bee. Should I use another? Oh shoot! Look at how many it did.
I'm like massaging its tail and it just loves it. Hey,
I have a bomber bee now.
I think it wants a little cave or something.
I should not have done that, bro. I need more royal jellies because of that. Okay, we're gonna see. Can I just like. Maybe I could farm some sunflower seeds. Hey, 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 hey. Do I have any sprouts?
I've never gotten the diamond bee yet.
I don't have any.
That's the only bee I haven't gotten
I
yet.
have the diamond bee. I got on like the first day I played.
That makes me mad, bro. I got buoyant bee, fuzzy bee, and 2 precise bee. And for event bees, I have bear bee, cobalt bee, crimson bee,
Crimson.
and vicious bee. I'm gonna get tabby bee because it's really good, actually.
Tabby bee? Like a tabby cat?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I do have gummy bee also, my bad.
Ooh.
Should I get festive bee?
Get festive bee.
Nah. I could get it like whenever I want, but tabby bee has like really good buffs.
Why did my gift thing go in the air? I hate that.
I think things that spawn in the air should just fall down because logic.
Yeah, unless there's no gravity.
Should I make a dog burrito with this little doggy? Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
You're gonna kill
I'm
it
gonna
and
set
eat
the
it?
doggy on my desk in the comfortable spot. And then I'm gonna go and start making it a burrito to keep it warm.
Wait, you should make its own little like chair on your desk.
Oh my gosh, my beanbag chair is right here. I could literally do that.
Your face.
Yeah, I got an idea. I'm gonna go and get this small little blanket right over here. And then I'm gonna fold it like 4 times.
Fold it 4 times. 4 times. I'm trying to plug
It's
in
just
my phone.
moving around on my desk. What a funny little dog.
Funny little bunny. Apple iPhone selected. Okay, I don't.
It's trying to chew on the golden chain thingy that I got, bro. I'm just gonna set it there.
I'm gonna call you, okay? Big balded Blake.
Hold up, I'm busy. I'm busy.
Okay.
Plus, I don't really know where my phone is. Oh my gosh. It's literally just like rolling off the beanbag chair. Why?
Wait, you're making it roll off the beanbag chair?
No, it's just rolling around and it's just chilling, bro. It's just going Bing chilling.
Bing chilling. Bing.
Don't cry. You're almost done.
That's
Come on.
obviously not gonna work every single time. And I want the
on,
lion
puppy.
bee one.
There, right there, see? You're gonna become a dog burrito again.
A little dog.
I did
burrito.
it this morning and it really seemed to enjoy it. Oh, you're such a fat little dog burrito.
He's a little doggerito.
There. Alright, now you can call me. I've got my little baby. I'll be back.
Oh my gosh. He said, now you could call me. And then he said, I'll be right back. So, guys. Treats, seeds, level 8. This is how many trees? Ooh, that's. Oh. Should I do it? No.
Oh, shoot, man. Alright, I'm back.
Okay.
Did you call me yet?
No, because you said that I'll be right back. So let me
Wait,
just.
call me.
Of
I'm
course.
here holding my dog Rito.
I'm gonna call him real quick. Okay, I'm calling you.
And I got it. Chill.
Wait, no. Hold it. Wait.
You declined.
Okay.
Alright, I'm in. Look at this little dog Rito.
Give me.
Never. Look at him. Stop kissing.
Bro, what?
It's mine. I get to do this. LOL! Lil bro took my spot. LOL!
Little bro.
What's to be lolling at? What's to be lolling at?
Okay. Well,
Full honey.
I guess you could say that we kind of did grind a bit.
What you mean? I only got 70k. Or 70 million.
But we kind of grind. I mean, I've been doing these quests.
Yesterday and the day before yesterday, I got so much done.
Bro, just look at this.
Bro, soon enough, I could wait.
Wait, I just num
That's
num.
cheap, bro.
I didn't know I could num num. Okay, well, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be editing this. So, yeah, bye.